I welcome you to today's lesson, our science lesson. Our topic is energy, and to look about petrol and diesel-driven generators pupils. These types of generators are driven by petrol or diesel in order to produce electricity. These generators can be used in areas where there is no electricity from power station. Pupils, schools, hospitals, churches, and factories can also use petrol and diesel-driven generators when the electricity from power stations fails. 2. Geothermal generators. These types of generators use steam from the earth to produce electricity. The steam which is under higher pressure rotates turbines which drive a generator to produce electricity. Pupils, geothermal power station is found in Olkaria, near Naivasha in Rift Valley province. Wind-driven turbines. There is a picture there. In wind-driven turbines, wind can be used to turn windmill, which turns a turbine of the generator, making it produce electricity. Solar energy panels. Solar panels convert sunlight. Solar panel convert sunlight energy to electricity when sunlight falls on them. Pupils, a solar panel has solar cells which absorb light energy from the sun and converts it to electricity. If you look at the solar energy panel, you can be able to see those two compartments and the small squares which absorb the energy from the sun and converts it to electricity. Symbol electric circuit. If you look there, we have a dry cell. We have positive terminal where we have a plus, negative terminal where we have a minus. We have a wire and we have a bulb. You tie the wire to the bulb, that is positive, and the negative below the bulb will produce light. Symbol electric circuit. An electric circuit is a bath made of wire along which electric current flows through. An electric circuit consists of a source of electricity. This can either be a cell or a battery. 2, a bulb. And then 3, a wire. When all the parts of the circuit are well connected, the bulb will lit. If the bulb lights, the circuit is complete. We say the circuit is complete when the bulb has lit and it is producing light. If the bulb does not light, the circuit is incomplete. Is connecting cells in a symbol circuit. A symbol circuit is one dry cell has been used in the circuit. If you look there, the first diagram, it is one dry cell. positive terminal, negative terminal, the bulb. The second one, it is two dry cells, positive terminal, negative terminal, and then you can be able to see the bulb is lighting. That's when we say the circuit is complete. If you look at the first one, positive terminal and the positive terminal, they are together. The wire from negative goes to the bulb by the center, and from the negative side they are to join to the bulb. That one is what we call incomplete circuit. The bulb will not lead in both. That is where they have positive, positive, negative, negative. On the other one, it is positive, positive, negative, negative. Those are in complete circuit, meaning the bulb will not lead. Electricity. Good conductors of electricity. Some materials conduct electricity while others do not conduct electricity. Pupils. Good conductors of electricity are materials that allow electricity to pass or to flow easily through them. Bad conductors are materials that do not allow electricity to flow or to pass through them at all. Examples of good conductors of electricity are silver, copper, aluminium, bronze, zinc, tin, iron, lead, and water. Bad conductors of it or non-conductors of electricity are air, paper, rubber, plastic, wood, cloth, glass, cotton string, and jog. Pupils. Most metals are good conductors of electricity. Most non-metals are bad conductors or insulators. Electric wires are coated with insulators to protect us from electric shock. Poor conductors of it, pupils, or poor conductors of electricity are materials that allow the little electric current or electricity to pass through them. For example, water is a poor conductor of electricity compared to silver and copper. Bad conductors of heat, insulators are materials that do not allow electricity to pass through at all. Example, we have rubber. Pupils. Examples of electric appliances and their uses are as follows. 1. Electric iron. Electric iron used for pressing clothes to remove creases. Radio. Radio, we listen to the news and other entertainments. Television, we watch news and other programs. Electric cooker helps in cooking food or warming food. Electric kettle, warming or boiling water. Other electric appliances include refrigerator, microwave, blow dryer, electric heater, and a washing machine. When dealing with electricity. 1. Do not touch a switch or socket with wet hands. 2. Never operate an electrical appliance with wet hands. 3. Never put or insert sticks, pencils, or wires into sockets because they can cause an electric shock. 4. Do not overload electric sockets by connecting many appliances in a single socket. 5. Never touch naked electric wire. They can cause electric shock and death. 6. Electric appliance with damaged plugs or wires should not be used. 7. All repairs for damaged electrical appliances should be done by an electrician. 8. Do not have electric cable run under a carpet. Pupils, we move to lightning and the safety measures. Lightning is a form of static electricity formed when charged clouds rub against each other. Lightning is usually seen as bright lights, that is sparks, across the sky. 2. Lightning can cause serious injuries or death to human beings and animals. It can cause fire and also destroy buildings. Lightning normally strikes the tallest objects on its way to the earth. Pupils, we are almost coming to the end. Let us have a look on safety measures against lightning. There are 6. 1. Keep off from walls, metallic windows, and the doors when it is raining. Lightning can pass through these objects to your body, causing danger. 2. Avoid carrying metallic and pointed objects during rainy season. 3. Do not shelter under trees when it is raining. 4. Wear shoes with rubber soles during rainy season. 5. Avoiding walking in bowls of water or swimming during a thunderstorm because water is a good conductor of electricity. Lastly but not least, pupils, install lightning arresters on buildings. A lightning arrestor or a lightning conductor is a thick, long copper wire which runs from the top of a building to the ground. If lightning strikes, the conductor passes all the charges quickly to the ground, reducing risk of striking someone or destroying the building. Pupils, we have come to the end of our science lesson. Inshallah, next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.